Welcome back. Now before you get started putting together the account settings, you are going to want to confirm your email address. And so you'll need to go to your email box. You'll need to click on verify your email. You'll then need to refresh your page. And your email address will then be confirmed. Now if you use a free email account, in order to sign up, you may see this message. The email sending will be disabled until your account has been approved. Now one thing you can do is you can change your email address. And what you're going to be doing is changing your email address to one where you own the domain. We're going to add an email address where we own the domain and click add. We're then going to confirm the pending email. We're then going to verify this email address. Our email address is then going to be confirmed. We're going to set the new address as our default. You'll then be asked to write in your website or blog URL to request approval. And then ConvertKit will then look over your site to determine if you will be approved to send messages. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.